we must understand Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi as a police officer. That's number one. Many people thought he's just dreaming when he raised all these things. He's a police officer. He's not a judge. He's not a prosecutor.
Sure.
The role of a police officer under normal circumstances is to arrest people based on allegations when there's prima facie evidence.
Sure. Yeah, true.
And then a responsibility of probing those issues further lies in the NPA, in the prosecutor, when they are in court, and the decision must be taken by the presiding officer.
Yeah.
So people thought maybe Mkhwanazi is just driven by his factional desires, which emanate from factional battles within SAPS.
Yeah.
But what is shocking is that some of those issues which he raised as allegations when he spoke on the 6th of July have been proven to be true. People are coming there in numbers. Some are confirming.
Yeah.
You have, for instance, you have this guy from Ekurhuleni, that's from municipality, who agreed that I know Ket Matlala. Ket Matlala paid me this amount, and so on and so forth. So it means what Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi raised on that day was just an ice was just a tip of the iceberg. There is more to it. We are just short of men who are brave like Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. There is a problem in the justice system. There is a problem in the NPA. There is a problem in the judiciary. We're just short of people who will be brave enough, who will go out there and say, here we're having a problem, South Africans. We must try to find solutions to these problems. So many of the issues that Mkhwanazi raised have been proven to be true.